Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. I am Riyad. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all you doing well. Today we will try to make a review video about Zhiyun Smooth 5, which I bought maybe 1 week ago. Let's start to review and let's see. So guys, this is the Zhiyun Smooth 5 Gimbal, which is combo package, which I bought. So this is service card and this is user manual. Oh my gosh, this very beautiful case. In my view, this is one of the best gimbal in the market in this price range. Why this is the best, I am going to show you now. Please watch the video until the end. A smartphone gimbal that packs a lot of features. It has strong motors and I can tell you that it has more professional feel and design than many other gimbal out there. There are two versions available. I have the combo package and it comes with this cool carrying case. A tripod, a hand strip, a USB-C charger cable, Zhiyun VIP membership card for 1 year, magnetic field light with magnetic lighting filter. This gimbal has a weight of 560 gram and the tripod weight 50 gram. So guys, before using this gimbal, you have to set up this gimbal manually. So first you have to set up the tripod and then you have to make sure that the gimbal is fully charged, and in the back side there have a charging port, C-type charging, and after full charge you have to make like this, and you have to take out this one like freely, all the access before using. 3 access have to unlock like this one, and you have to set up your phone smoothly. If you want to use your phone vertically, that is okay, and if you want to use your phone horizontally, so you have to turn left and set up your phone like this. So guys, make sure that your phone is balanced. If you don't is imbalanced, the gimbal not working. So you have to make the balance with this one, unlock this then balance your phone and lock. In this side there have a turning point, so you have to press to turn on, and it's working. This gimbal can support having a smartphone up to 300 gram, and I decide my iPhone 13 Pro Max to test this gimbal. So as you can see, it works just fine. Let's take a closer look at this. It is a fill light, has a clever design. It is magnetic and you can turn it around on the gimbal. So this is almost like a flashlight, and you can control this brightness from here. And there have some magnetic lighting filter. So guys, this Smooth 5 have 4 basic gimbal modes that we expect to the find on the other gimbal, which are, so as you can see, there have pan follow mode, log mode, follow mode and POV mode, which is very good to use the gimbal on your phone. There have a joystick, you can turn it around. There have a button to start the videos and stop the videos. There are mood buttons, there have a lighting flash when you have to press, and then you can adjust this to when you don't need this, you can press again and off. There have a menu set if you want to set the menu, if you want to see the videos, which videos you want to prefer to make. There have a lot of things. I don't know what is this time lapse, hyper lapse with the shader. You can change all the mode from here. You don't need to go to your display. You can change all these things from here. And here also, I don't know how they go. Yeah, let's go. So you can also change the mode from here: pan follow, log button, POV, and role planning, flying mode, and phone go mode. It's a vortex. When you make the video, you can make this one around the gimbal and like this, unlimited. We will start this one. And I forget to say you one thing, but I need to change the mood. Okay, so there have a one hole to expand anything like audio recorders, microphone, etc. And there have a one trigger when you press 2 times. I don't know, no problem. When you press 3 times, it's come on your side. When you press again times, it's come the front side. So I like this one very much. And so guys, as you can see, there are one wheel to zoom in, zoom out. So guys, thanks for your time to watch the video. If you like my video, please do like, comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to support me. So for today is enough. Bye bye. See you in the next one.